एक्सरसाइज 6.1 में फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन है, अ स्टोन इज ड्रॉप्ड इनटू अ क्वाइट लेक एंड वेव मूव इन सर्कल that means circle is given at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? Yes, circle means we have to take A equal to area of circle pi r square. Let A be the area and r be the radius. A equal to pi r square. It is given wave move in circle at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. That means radius with respect to, here time is given, with respect to t we have to take. So here wave moves means its radius is changing, dr by dt we have to take as 5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of circular wave is 8 centimeter, that means when r equal to 8 centimeter, how fast is the area increasing? Area increasing means we have to find dA by dt. dt why you have to take? Because it is given in second, time, with respect to time. dA by dt we have to calculate. So pi constant ऐसे ही रखो, r raised to 2 का 2r, so 2 pi r into with respect to t है, again we have to use chain rule, dr by dt. Very simple question. dr by dt is given as 5 centimeter here, 2 pi r into 5, that is 10 pi r. dA by dt, it will become pi to ja 10 pi r. But when r equal to 8 centimeter, we have to calculate how fast is the area enclosing when r equal to, the radius is 8 centimeter. So dA by dt at r equal to 8 is, we have to put 8 here, 10 pi into 8, it will become 80 pi. Area will calculate in centimeter square and time in second. Now come to the next question, sixth question. You can take screenshot of this also. Now come to the sixth question. Sixth question is, the radius of the circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. Here a second is given, again we have to find dr by dt, dc by dt. What is the rate of the increase of its circumference? Circumference formula is 2 pi r. Here circle is given, so circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Let C be the circumference, then and given the radius of circle is increasing, here radius is changing, dr by, here second is given, so we have to take dt here, it is given 0.7 centimeter per second. So circumference is 2 pi r. To find dc, differentiate with respect to t here, dc by dt equal to 2 pi Differentiation of r is dr by dt. So it is 2 pi dr by dt. It is given 0.7. So 7 to the 14. That means it will become 1.4 pi. So dc by dt, change of circumference with respect to time is 1.4 pi. यूनिट कैसा लिखना है? सर्क्यूमफेरेंस सेंटीमीटर में होता है. सर्क्यूमफेरेंस मीन्स लेंथ ऑफ ए सर्कल. लेंथ ऑफ ए सर्कल सेंटीमीटर में होगी. डिवाइडेड बाय हियर टी डी टी इज गिवन सेकेंड. इन सेकेंड इट इज गिवन. सो दिस इज आंसर फॉर 6th क्वेश्चन. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. द रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल इज इंक्रीजिंग एट द रेट ऑफ 0.7 सेंटीमीटर मीन्स dr by dt is 0.7 centimeter. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? We have to take formula of circumference of a circle, differentiate with respect to c. 2 pi differentiation of r is dr by dt. It is given 0.7. 2 pi dr by dt 7 into 2, 0.7 into 2 is 1.4 pi centimeter square. Now come to the 7th question. Here is our 7th question. The length x of a rectangle is increasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute and width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. When x equal to 8 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of perimeter area of rectangle. Here rectangle, you take mind in rectangle. rectangle में क्या होता है? Opposite sides equal होते हैं. Suppose it is x, length is x and breadth is y. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing. Decreasing means we have to take minus sign. dx by dt. Here dx by dt equal to the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. Here decreasing word is there, so we have to take minus sign because length we have taken as x. And width y, suppose y is width of a rectangle. This is rectangle and width y is increasing. That means dy by dt is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. Here time is given, so we are differentiating with respect to t. Here y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. It is given in question. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. Decreasing means minus 5 centimeter per minute. And the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. यहाँ तक ये क्वेश्चन हो गया. When x equal to 8 and y equal to 6, जब x 8 होगा and y 6 होगा, when x equal to 8 and y equal to 6, we have to find first perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle का formula क्या है? First we will calculate perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a perimeter means ये पूरा घेरा. Suppose it is x, it is y, it will also become x, y. x plus x 2x, y plus y 2y. Perimeter will become 2 times x plus y or 2x plus 2y. So differentiate p with respect to t. with respect to time ही यहाँ करना है क्योंकि यहाँ क्वेश्चन में मिनट दिया है. सो दिस इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स x का डिफ्रेंशिएशन होगा dx by dt प्लस y का डिफ्रेंशिएशन dy by dt. सो दिस इक्वल टू 2. हियर dx by dt is given -5 प्लस dy by dt is given 4. So 2 into bracket, it will become -5 plus 4 -1, it will become -2. How we have to rewrite the unit here? P, perimeter is in centimeter and T, time is in minute given here. It is in minute, it is given per minute. This is the answer for first question, perimeter. Now come to the second question, area of a rectangle. What is the formula for area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth, x into y. So second part, the area A of a rectangle is given by A equal to x into y. Again we have to differentiate. So differentiate करने के लिए हमें चेन यहाँ पर प्रोडक्ट रूल लगाना है. dA by dt इक्वल टू u इंटू वी रूल. u v डैश प्लस v u डैश. फर्स्ट फंक्शन को ऐसे ही रखो, x डिफ्रेंसिएशन ऑफ y dy by dt प्लस y को ऐसे ही रखो, डिफ्रेंसिएशन ऑफ x dx by dt. So put the value here, dA by dt. It is given in question when x equal to 8 and y equal to 6. When x equal to 8 and y equal to 6, you have to put x as 8 and y as 6. So 8 dy by dt, here dy by dt is 4 centimeter. 4 plus y it is given 6 and dx by dt is minus 5 centimeter. Put the value minus 5. This equal to 8 4 is 32 minus 30 that is 2. यूनिट कैसे लिखना है हमें? एरिया का यूनिट होगा सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एंड टाइम इट इज़ गिवन इन मिनट. So this is the answer for this question. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing means minus sign, and width y increasing. Find the perimeter and area of a rectangle at x equal to 6 and x equal to 8 and y equal to 6. Now come to the next question. Question number 8. A balloon which always remains spherical has variable radius. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing with the radius when the radius is 10 centimeter. So let V be the volume of A. यहाँ पर हमें स्फीयर का फॉर्मूला लेना होगा. फिजिकल क्वांटिटी स्फीयर. वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए स्फीयर इज गिवन बाय V इक्वल टू 4/3 pi r cube. It is volume of a sphere. A balloon which always remains spherical has variable radius. Find the rate at which the volume is increasing with the radius when the radius is 10 centimeter. इसको हम बाद में लेंगे लास्ट में. फर्स्ट क्या दिया गया है यहाँ पर? The volume is increasing with the radius. That means dV by dr. Volume is increasing with the radius. With respect to time I have to take, because our question is changing the rate of change of volume. So dV by dt is given here 900 cc per second. So differentiate. Given V equal to 4/3 pi r cube. It is given, and volume of a sphere is formula for this one. To find dr by dt, first calculate dV by dt. You will get dr by dt from this one. Here differentiation of V is dV by dt. 4/3 pi is also constant. This quantity is constant. R raised to 3 is 3 r raised to 2 into dr by dt. This equal to 4/3 pi. 3 will get cancelled. 4 pi into r raised to 2 dr by dt. Here dv by dt is given 900 cc. So 900 by 4 pi r square equal to dr by dt. 900 divided by, take this in denominator, 4 pi r square equal to dr by dt. So take dr by dt equal to the same thing this side, 900 divided by 4 pi at r equal to 10 centimeter we have to calculate. Here at r equal to 10, put 10 here. This equal to 2 zeros will 4 pi 10 into 10. This 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 will get cancelled. 4 by 9 pi. Here unit centimeter per second you have to take.